Hello friends, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be revamping my beauty room. So I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what we're dealing with right now. It's kind of a mess, and then I'm going to be showing you the after, and I'll try to get some footage of what we're bringing in, me cleaning it up a little bit. So for those of you that are new here, my name is Shyla and this is LaLa Land. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So this is my semi-shadow palettes. This is kind of my creation station. That's, hello. My ring light, my lighting. This is my background. And then this cabinet actually was left by the owners. I believe it was a cabinet that was above the fridge area, and we found it in the garage, just like kind of pulled apart, like the doors weren't attached anymore, and we sanded it down and refurbished it, and we turned it into this. But this actually houses my lashes. Those are my lashes, and then some of my other makeup stuff. It's kind of a mess. So, but we are going to be bringing in a bunch of new stuff that I actually got through my work, which is a high-end cabinet shop. Okay, so before, there's a little bit of space behind the door as well. Take a look at that. Behind this, there's a bit of a closet back there. There's a lot of my stuff. This is also down here, shows, or that has a lot of like my stuff that I do, because I do my own nails, so that holds a lot of that stuff I kind of want to put up in a way. But yeah, so that's the before. I'm going to get this whole area cleaned up, and then we'll get some more shots of the new stuff.